Question number 6 is all about quantitative reasoning. This question is testing how much you understand about unit rates and unit conversion. Let's take a look. A printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. At what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? So let's get all of this information into some math notation. I've got this idea of 42 posters per minute. I've got my quantity, 42, and I actually have two different units here. Posters is a thing that I can count, and minutes is a thing that I can count. I also have this linking word per. Anytime I've got unit per unit, I can think of that as a unit represented as a rate, a ratio, a fraction. So our first unit is posters per / minute. Okay, so we've got 42 posters per minute, but we want to end up with posters per hour. The question is, at what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? So somehow we're going to need to convert this into posters per hour. How are we going to do that? Well, unit conversion will help us out a lot here. We can multiply by another unit rate. We want to create a unit rate where we're allowed to cancel our minutes, so we can cancel a denominator with a numerator and create an hours unit in the denominator. Minute per hour. Oh, and we just need to know how many minutes are there in an hour, because we know that there are 60 minutes for every 1 hour. We have this new ratio that we can multiply. 60 minutes divided by 1 hour, really that's just an hour divided by an hour, that's just 1. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value of anything, so we're allowed to do this. So 42 posters per minute times 60 minutes per hour will end up canceling the minutes, leaving us with 42 posters times 60 divided by 1 hour. Let's figure this out. I can drop this into my calculator and get that 42 times 60 over 1 is equal to 2,520. And we've got posters in our numerator. We've canceled our minutes because there was 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. And we have hour in the denominator. So 2,520 posters per hour. That's what we're looking for. So the solution that we write in is 2,520.